What's up, fam? Welcome to another vlog. Alright, so in this video, we're currently in LA. We're in Melrose to be exact. It's this whole strip here, all the way there. And our first stop is Brooklyn Project. Let's go. Right now here, it looks like the name of the place is Jungalo. This is like Mike's style over here. Liquor Stories. Wow, this is so cool. So, if you're an alcoholic, you can confess there, bro. You wanna go? You wanna go and confess? I'm not alcoholic. I'm not alcoholic.
I'm not alcoholic.
Wow, this is... We came across this place. Let's go check it out. Wow, so cool. It's empty though.
3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I could flip a dollar to $1 million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. 3, 2, 1. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. It's a new day, days been new. Been a decade since I made it out of rental. We some owners, baby, we don't got no rent due. My trick, but my wife, you like to trick too. Merry Christmas, hey, Saint Nick. What we want, get, we on wait list. How we got here doesn't make sense. Have patience, that'll make sense. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I could flip a dollar to $1 million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. 3, 2, 1. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. Picking up the slack, joining this prime way, I'm getting to the rack. I do what I want, when I want, where I want, no cap. Put in all work, now I'm getting to the back. 25-8, I got money on my mind. Live life great, but I'm always on the grind. Navy blue tank, I don't wear for the...
So, this is a delivery robot here in LA. Welcome to LA. Alright guys, we're currently having Chipotle for lunch because we're broke.
Hey. I pick up the salad.
We're having something light because we're having Korean barbecue tonight. Check it out. We have made it to our second stop. We are at the store called, I don't know if you can see that, Supreme. Let's go check it out. I've never been here before. It's my first time going into a Supreme store. Let's go. So this store is the one on Sunset, Holloway Drive. So luckily they have a free parking here, complimentary valet parking. The store looks really nice. Let's go. What's up, guys? So we're now gonna go to dinner. We're gonna have Korean barbecue with Kate and a few of our other friends. What's the name of the barbecue place we're going to?
We barbecue.
We Barbecue. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Actually, we Valley Parked, and just wanted to let you know if you're gonna stay here, they charge $6 to $8 for the Valley Park. There you go, Valley Park. Look at the cars here, guys. Bruh. All right, guys. Rachel is pregnant. Hi, Rach.
How about the twins? Hey, you gotta open that before you leave to the airport. Before you leave here. Okay.
By the way, guys, this is where we're eating. We Korean barbecue. We have one more person coming, Paula. They're a little busy. What up? Happy birthday! Okay, cheers!
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 마음을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무 걱정돼. 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도.
Find other girls prettier than her. Yeah, they're prettier, but she's the more attractive to the guys. Most attractive.
Cheers!
Congratulations.
So we're currently here at my friend's shop. It's called Beverly Tint here in Koreatown in LA. If you ever need to get your car tinted or your windows tinted, come here, guys. Tell them RJ sent you. Look for John. He's gonna give you a really great price. Let me show you a quick tour of his shop right now. So this is the sign from outside. You just go in here. He has the waiting area here. Free water. He also does Expel, which is really good. That's the name of the shop. There's my friend Mike over there. And this is what it looks like in the back. He's currently working right now. Let me see. So that's his office. There's the restroom over there. And then this is the car he's working on right now. Say what's up to the vlog.
Hey.
Invite them to come to Beverly Tint. So we just finished eating, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm Ellie. Deuces.